Hey y'all, it's Andy and I'm here in Asheville, North Carolina at Erwin High School. This is a car show. It's a fundraiser for the band, the Erwin High Warrior Pride Band. So there's the big Indian up there, the Warrior, pretty cool. So let's walk around and see what we can see. All right, y'all, check this out. How sweet is this? 70 Chevy SS 396. Oh yeah. One of my favorites. So you got the double headlights there still on the 70. Very cool. It's very windy today. I'm trying to block the wind on my microphone. Hopefully I'm succeeding, but I don't know. Very windy. All right, check this out. There we go. CUDA AAR clone. Isn't that nice? Did the exhaust coming out the side. Love that strobe paint job style. The AARs. That's sweet.
What was it you said when y'all had it wrong?
There you go. Pretty wild. Got a couple little newer vehicles here. It's pretty sweet. I bet there's been a lot of people mistake this for a highway patrol car here in North Carolina. Mitsubishi. Well, I remember when these first came out. Yep. Pretty cool. There we go, Corvettes. Somewhere after 73. So check it out. We got a couple of 1920s some Fords here. I believe this is a 27. This first one. Those white walls, those dishes, that's awesome. Nice. Very cool. 27 Ford. And then I believe this is a 26 Ford. Isn't that awesome? Very cool. Wild ride there. Cadillac. That is marquee. Check the interior. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's cool. Anybody know what year this marquee is? That's one big Mercury right there. It's funny, I have a Mercury Marquis, but it's a bit newer than this one. I love this. See these hidden headlights. That's awesome. So yeah, this pickup. You saw this one come in just a minute ago. Shiny 10 454. Pretty slick. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty awesome right there, folks. A beast. Those heads. Wow. That's great. Who can tell me what year that is? Leave it in the comments. Great looking C10. See how this square body getting low. Hope I'm able to cover my microphone from that wind. It is rough out here. Sunny, not too cold, but it's windy as all get out. Let's shoot this one the way it's supposed to be shot. Hold on. Get down here low. There you go. Man, some crazy wind. What year is this? 91. Nissan Figaro, wow. How cool. You ever get used to the steering wheel being on this side when you're on the roads? That's wild. Practically a convertible.
But the hard side, if you put the windows up and turn the heat on,
Right.
you don't get any breeze inside.
Yeah.
So it's ride with the convertible down to the wind.
Yeah. Very cool. Very cool. There's that 67. Very cool ride. Very nice. Alright, we got some Mustangs here. 2017.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Russ?
Good.
Very cool Mustang. Got a few of them here. Convertible. I hope I'm doing a good job of covering the wind on this mic. We'll see. But it is windy out here. Yeah, check this out. That's sweet. Love that color. Check out the paint. There you go. Some great Mustangs out here today. Check out this Cobra. We saw this one over at Ponies and Smokies. That's awesome. Great ride. Heck yeah. Another great convertible. 06. That's one of the first ones of that body style, I believe. Nice. Very cool Shelby GT350. Nice. And we got one more up here. Check it out. Frankenstein. Very cool. F-250 custom. Nice. Yeah, some of the coolest cars are the ones that aren't exactly in the car show. This one's sweet, Pontiac. Check it out. Very cool. A lot of character in this car right here. I love it. Love it, love it. That's awesome. Very cool. All right, y'all, that's going to wrap it up for this show. Hope you enjoyed that. If you do, hit that like button. Go ahead and make sure you're subscribed. Leave us a comment. And, hey, click on into this next one right here.